naman ka kung gusto nyo mag-video. Ako nagpapayo na sa akin ko. Iyo, gusto nyo mag-video, hindi ka masamutan. Yo, sa tahaw.
Next entry number 41, University of Nueva Cáceres, Hernandez Avenue, Naga City. University President, Dr. Faye Lea Patria Lamaya, Corps Commander, Lieutenant Colonel Benedict Corder, First Class, Corps S1, K. Major Joy Lupiano, First Class, Corps S2, Major Don Ian Delphine Pante, Corps S3, Cadet Major Zorine Enciso, Corps S4, Cadet Captain Gabe Zantua, Corps S7, Cadet Major